Welcome back to Joe the Colt 44, your favorite YouTube channel. Nice fact. I don't care. What you say today? We have a Colt analysis breakdown. Obviously, this account is not Max. I have Nita. That's my big person. I have the rest of you guys about this rank. I have Shelly, because everybody does, and I have Skin Colt. They're the animated pins in the Brawl Talk. He's just a wing sharpshooter. But let's see how it does in Gem Grab. And guys, I love Supercell games. I love Clash Clans. I like Clash Royale more than Clash Clans. Like, Clash Clans is like, it's not like a live action game, which makes it kind of less fun. Like, when you do actually play, it's pretty fun. Pretty strategical and fun if you live in if you're an adult or live in college or whatever, you don't have all the time in the world, like us stupid kids. Yeah, go do that. I guess I would recommend their game strongly. Use a credit code like the favorite guy, definitely Lex, Karis, no J. Those guys are pretty cool, but probably never gonna have one. But if I keep up the constant grind, sure that I could. But it's just kind of an analysis and breakdown, thanks to my response on Twitter. And yeah, thanks for that. Okay, we have 5 gems there. Yikes, 8-0. So he's about a rank 12, so I don't expect us to get whooped here or to dominate. And do have great star power. So yeah, he provides high damage wing stuff. If that Shelly can lock down that Nita, so he's like a wing, pretty fast. The sharpshooter, he's getting buffed to his health, or he has received buff to his health as they knock out those gems. There's a bull in the bushes. He's pretty good at checking bushes, decent reload speed, but they have all the gems now. And they're rushing. That's not smart. But they're gonna, oh, come on. Shelly, cause pressure. Go. So yeah, the breakdown here is that even if we do win, I recommend playing him in Gem Grab. He doesn't have the high health to be a gem carrier. He doesn't have the pokeness and healing of Byron and stuff to be the support, and doesn't really have the. He definitely has damage, but we have Feast or Famine for rounds, so it's a little bit unfair here if we enter into some more amazing randoms. But yeah, let's do a showdown. It's Feast or Famine. All boxes are in the middle. Rather than that, then you're gonna get Famine. We have a Lou, and even a lower health brawler. So as we get chased by two higher health brawlers, he's getting aggressive, and he's just so, oh my god. And here comes Daryl. But we get him because he overcommitted as she's down. Look at me, just slaying and praying. No, it's called spraying and praying, but I'm slaying and praying, I guess. Okay, as that Rose has low health, and that Ticks will die. I don't care what he has to say, but I got him. Okay. I don't know why I just totally just aimed that super terribly again. But we have 9 power cubes. And look, that Lou is getting frozen. Yeah, just so much damage and reload speed. I highly recommend playing Colt in Showdown. I get a competitive, might be a little different, but Colt, if you can land his high damaging shots and counter down brawlers, I think that he's a really good guy. But I feel don't comp him with a guy like Lou, because it's just too little power. Maybe with a guy tankish, Carl's super good in duo showdown. Shadow's gonna die there with the little thing. Let's activate his star power. Oh, that was terrible. Spam auto aim, and we get the W. Didn't really expect that with Lou and Colt, but what happens? What do you know? So can't play again. So yeah. So I feel Gem Grab more of a D tier. Obviously A through F. And Showdown, I give him an A tier. Definitely not the King Brawler, but definitely one that you want to pick. And it kind of worked out weirdly on Feast or Famine. So we have Brawl Ball here with Happy Feet. Map looks a little bit more for tanks and throwers. But throwers don't have high enough health to be the ball guy, so yeah. Me going into this, I'm assuming he's probably like a C tier brawler. Like, don't really I need to play him. He's decently fast to grab the ball. Like, this is like a tank killer and Shelly, but yeah. See, it says he can definitely deal damage when needed. Oh, break free. Okay, so yeah, I'm assuming that a comp of like Poco, Rosa, and whoever they have is much better comp than putting anything with Colt in there. I mean, but he's kind of working. See his decent speed. He's just gonna push and get the high damage, and then just auto aim until we all die. But yeah, we have Poco, Penny. That's a decent one because Penny can kind of control the field decently. Of Rosa's the tank, ball person. We have Shelly. She seems like Penny's a popular pick, as the two turrets just fight each other, and that's a high level Penny compared to theirs. Or at least, yeah, this is mainly a tank map and a kind of tank game, a game mode. So yeah, I recommend using tanks here. Maybe even a little bit. Okay, with 2 health. Okay, you're just gonna come in there and do 30 like that. But we have Colt. He's yeah, it's kind of hard to get close with. Staying back when they're coming in, like rushing in, it's just a little bit harder than you guys think. Okay, that was a nice save there by Shelly. The dude did get some buffs, but she's still pretty much uncompetitive. I wouldn't recommend playing her inside of basically anything, except like Feast of Famine Showdown. So if you watch this video in this time of Feast of Famine, I guess she's a decent pick, but there's just so many better brawlers. Okay, something happened, and we got a goal here. 33 seconds left until overtime. Now it's at about 30. Rosa can just break those walls and make this map more for range brawlers. And there we go. Oh, come on, he has 70 health. He's always just killing me with like 20, 70 health. Poco versus Colt. Colt should win every time it's a one-on-one thing. But you know, wonderful world. Get her. Track her down. She has like 800. She has 100 health. Get him. Good. Go. This is it. This is where I thrive. Oh, open up maps for a long-range, high-damage brawler. Dang it, these tanks have become ever more scary. Wait, do I come rushing in? Do I hit him with the trick shot right at his face? No, that's not what I planned. What happened? No, get closer. You just kill the Rosa and we basically win. I think we actually might draw here. Bam. Just missed that. Bam. Okay. No. Stay back. Yeah, so it seems like he's a decent pick and roll ball at the best. He isn't. Oh my god, no. Stop her. Courts. 5 seconds left until we will just draw. Yeah, nobody hates a draw except for everybody. But I guess we just take it off. So we're 1 and 2 on the video. It's not ideal. Yeah, but there's like 3 more modes in this. There's Hot Zone. I'll play Hot Zone. I'll play some stupid bounty maps. Wait, no, I'll play a Siege and then a Hot Zone. Bounty. I don't really have much to speak out about. I mean, like, bounty's kind of a mixed brawler thing. It's like the brawlers who you wouldn't think would be doing good, do good, and the brawlers you think would be doing bad, do good. I don't know what I'm saying here, but yeah, like Colt, he seems decent. Like if people play like Piper a lot, then what's the difference between Colt as they update this map here with the Pam Scrapyard adds to the lore of this game, I guess. Pop him. Run. You have such low health. Bam. Pop him. Oh, missed that. So bad actually aiming, but hopefully I agree with that. And come on, like, gotta love this game. It's so entertaining, and like the fighting style, I just had the thoughts I think like this cartoon style, which I find this game very annoying when looks the under 3-year-old kids have it's taking hits there. Thought those the other damage around delusional. Yeah, great star power. Or no, great gadget, sorry. Oh yeah, and just great star power. And then nice and like super fast with like Crow. All like very fast brawlers. 10, 9, oh my god, we're getting killed. Who would play as Poco in this game mode? He's terrible at one-on-one interactions and controlling the field mostly. Okay, like I can see being picked, but come on. Like if we replaced things like with that Rico, I'd just be so much happier because we would have actually won. Go. No, just can't we all, please? No. They shouldn't get this. Okay, I just recommend a better comp than those guys. It's terrible. I mean, Poco, seriously, how bunch of worse could you even get? We're almost at tiers of 64, we're at level 64. We'll hit it in this match against Hot Zone. Okay, so Colt, I would recommend playing him 1 in Showdown, 2 in Siege, 3 Brawl Ball, 4 Gem Grab, maybe 5 Hot Zone. I don't think that he's that good at like getting in there. Like throwers and tanks are kind of what the dominate again. Poco, you can't really even exist because after what you did to me, so let's just go up there and kill him. I don't know how I'm losing Poco and then IO and then IU just stands in there and just gets killed. Okay, give him arrow something. Bam. Right through the wall, and I hit them both. Oh yeah, the bank drop was blocking me off Sprout. Again, how IU super teammates. It's like playing from like India with this connection. Just trying to connect to a US a person here. Okay, wow. Honestly, now it's more open actually. That helps me thrive. They capture Hot Zone. They should be capturing one soon. So they just stampede us. Yikes. Yikes. Okay, we need to. We might need to stop them before we get points, but no, they'll split opinions, don't we? So close. Oh, okay, and then just heal yourself, because that's really how you play this game. Ooh, go. This low health, making value out of it. Okay, we're so close. We're so close on both, but it's like they only have 1. We have 2, so okay, it's just a race for this one. IU, get in the zone! No! IU, yikes. God, who okay, that was a dumb teammate. Yeah, so ranks, duo showdown, or solo, I would say showdown, yeah, showdown. And next up, probably Hot Zone. He's pretty good at using his long range high damage to win, like Siege next, yeah, like Brawl Ball, Gem Guide, yeah, but I would just recommend playing Showdown basically. Yeah, so it's Showdown. It's Siege, kind of, except not really. Hot Zone's decent. Present Plunder, I guess, for all my Brawl days. Recommend playing him that. He's pretty effective, but that was your Colt breakdown. Goodbye.